Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're thrilled to unveil an exciting new feature in Tkassist 3 specifically designed for TikTok users. Our latest protocol-based follow feature allows you to safely and quickly increase your TikTok followers, making growth easier than ever. Let's explore how this innovative tool can elevate your TikTok game. Before you begin, please ensure you have the following items ready. 1. TikTok accounts and proxies. Prepare one or more TikTok accounts, each paired with its dedicated proxy. It is advisable to use a unique proxy for each account for optimal performance when managing multiple accounts. 2. User URLs. The profile page URLs you want to follow. By preparing these items in advance, you will ensure a smooth and effective experience with our software. Steps to use the protocol-based follow feature in Tkassist 3. 1. Create a protocol-focused task. Initiate a new task to follow users. 2. Add user URLs. Enter the URLs of the users you want to follow. 3. Select accounts. Choose the TikTok accounts you will use. 4. Save and run. After configuring all settings, save the task and execute it. Five. Check the result. The task will run in the background, so no windows will pop up. We can open the profile page to check the result. As you can see, Tkassist 3 increased this TikTok account's followers from 8 to 513 after the task was completed. The speed is impressive. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you're eager to try out the new protocol-based follow feature in Tkassist 3 for your TikTok accounts. With this tool, growing your follower base has never been simpler or safer. Check out the link in the description for more details, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more great content. See you next time.